Welcome guys, welcome back. Now let us understand what are the key things we are going to learn in this course guys. Very interesting. We are going to discover and observe certain natural phenomena like laws of physics, light, motion, some of the important laws of physics which we really forgot during our childhood days guys. Leave the designer, leave the engineer guys. But first of all, we need to understand certain basic laws in order to survive and live comfortably. If we don't understand that, then life becomes a little difficult at many point of time. So this course will definitely give you a little understanding of a basic science phenomena and principles, what I really enjoyed, and I'm going to share you with it guys. And we are going to try some of the experiments and constructions. We are going to invent and change certain things. We are going to make a team play. We are going to make some assumptions. We are going to carry out some of the research as a team. So it's going to be really an interactive and fun class guys. So I'm particularly gaining comprehensive insight into your work of a scientist. So how did people really design these experiments, these games, for us to really understand? So we are going to get that insight as well. The big value you will get is you will get more sensitization towards product thinking process guys, because the more varied perspective you develop, the more superb designer you become. You really understand German culture, you understand Denmark culture, you understand many different people's culture. And when you start becoming a designer, you will definitely be very good and fluent in terms of design thinking. System design will not be a problem for you guys, because that's one of the varied perspective knowledge which as a product designer you might be needing for all the project, because you can't sit and isolate in design. You can't do an isolation work in design guys. That doesn't happen in design. You need a wide perspective. Either you have to go and travel some places, or else you can go and talk to people who have traveled a lot of places. Like me, I visited 8 countries. I'm sharing some of the best experience out of it guys. You can watch all my design visit courses. It will give you a multiple cultural perspective as well as product design, graphic design aspect of it. And I'm going to give you a class project where you can really document it for your portfolio and pitch for jobs also guys. That's also one good thing, because the class project is very simple guys. Take any one of your recent trips. I've been giving in some of my courses the same project, but try doing this guys, because there is multiple things you will learn. First of all, you will learn to do illustrations of your thought process. Have you ever illustrated what we thought in our mind? No, right? But have you ever tried it? That's a big question guys. This exercise will largely give you an opportunity for you to really explore that. Second advantage is you will learn a lot of documentation and report making skills. Third advantage, you can have a project for your portfolio. Fourth advantage, you can pitch it directly for studios, for jobs. Of course, this is qualifying as a project. You did it, you made a case study, you made an understanding, that's it, right? So do it like this guys. Anywhere, let's say you go, maybe a product expo, maybe a museum, or maybe a fair, product fair, or lifestyle fair, anything guys, just make some online offline study about it. Even though you have not covered something in the museum or something, so just take a website and then learn some of the details from them. Use your creative thinking to start making a beautiful document. Don't just put text and pictures. Try making digital illustrations, try making hand sketches, try to put your thought process in the form of creative documents so that people who are seeing it should get attracted. That's your target guys. They should be triggered to go to that place again. So after this video, you will definitely feel that going to Bremen, Germany guys. I'm making sure that. So you can use any digital or analog medium, that's totally fine guys, but you need to give an attempt. Let it be good or bad, that's second, but give an attempt guys, honestly. Okay, so with this introduction, let's get started guys. I'll see you in the first lesson about the museum and the location Bremen in the coming video.